The question of who a Somali is one that has animated Somali public discourse for much of the history of the Somalis. Who is a Somali? What are the values that a Somali subscribes to? When Siad Barre took power and tried to make Somalis to see themselves as one united nation and not a conglomeration of clans, that question was central to that project. Unfortunately, that noble project collapsed on the quicksand of clan competition as different clans tried to vie for control of the state. There's a poem that I would like to read by one of my favorite Somali poets that specifically addresses itself to that question. Who is a Somali? Entitled Somali Baan Ahay by Abdulkadir Hirsi Siad, fondly known as Yam Yam. Somali wa Kuma. Who is a Somali? He asks. Sinantan la Ahay, sanku nefle maogoli, inu iga saren karo, anna garasho sagordahan, sorry rohu gamadego, Somali Baan Ahay. Translation: I stand equal with all. No man may rise above me. I do not deceive and call it a gift. I am Somali. So, one of the values of a Somali, according to this wonderful poem by the late poet Abdulkadir Hirsi Siad, is a belief, a strong belief in equality, that all men, all women are equal. No one is, no tribe is above another. We are all equal.